On the 19th of October 2023, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR effected leadership change at the National Orientation Agency by appointing Mallam Lanre Onilu, an experienced communicator, as the 7th Director General of the agency. Within the first 100 days of his appointment, Mallam Lanre Onilu has visited and re-energized the agency's workforce at the headquarters and in other states like Akwa Ibom, Lagos, Kwara, Ondo, and Ekiti states to outline the new direction, create structure for optimal performance, and reassure staff on the commitment of the agency under the Renewed Hope agenda. In Lagos, the DG met with operators in the entertainment industry as the important window of the nation to the world to establish the synergy required to deploying the correct narrative about our nation and our people. The Director General also saw the support and collaborations of traditional rulers in Kwara, Ondo, Ekiti, and other states in the campaign for attitudinal change at the grassroots level. In December 2023, the National Orientation Agency interfaced with government institutions, development partners, and private sectors by organizing a 2-day retreat aimed at harnessing input from stakeholders across all sectors. These inputs will ultimately create a synergy for partnership with different relevant organizations to chart a way forward and evolve strategic approaches for more effective reorientation of the Nigerian citizens. Some of these strategic approaches that will involve promoting the new values and national identity include national and global communication campaign, establishment of the initial 37,000 citizens brigades in our primary schools across the 36 states and in the FCT, development of a national curriculum of nationalism studies as a compulsory subject at all levels of education, nationalization of audiovisual cartoon for value reorientation, commissioning of a reality TV program called the Project Nigeria, launching a youth engagement enterprise mobile app, and development of the Clean Community Project, CLEAN, an acronym for crime, lawlessness, health, education, environment, abuse, and narcotics. All these vocal issues will be tackled under the Clean Community Project. Central to the message of the National Orientation Agency under Mallam Lanre Onilu is the work of recreating the values of our nation. To achieve this, a 10-man committee was formed with the objective of putting together and developing series of ideas and national values that would form a document called the National Values Charter, a social contract between the country and the citizens. This document submitted to the Honorable Minister of Information and National Orientation, Alhaji Mohammed Idris, in January 2024 will be launched by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, at a later date. To drive the National Values Charter and other initiatives, the National Orientation Agency held a 2-day engagement with reputable communication and marketing firms at the prestigious Transcorp Hilton Hotel, Abuja, to discuss and evaluate ideas on how to unveil and launch the global Nigerian campaign that will drive narratives and positively change attitudes, values, and our behaviors as Nigerians in line with the mandate of the agency. The National Orientation Agency is also partnering with other ministries and agencies to deepen collaborations in carrying out enlightenment of government policies, strengthen ties, and enhance public trust in government institutions. These collaborations were marked by meetings and courtesy visits between the National Orientation Agency and other agencies and institutions like the Voice of Nigeria, VON, Service Compact with All Nigerians, Servicom, the Niger Delta Development Commission, and the DC, the Directorate of Military Civil Affairs, amongst others. To effectively position the agency to deliver on its mandate, the Director General, Mallam Lanre Onilu, is establishing, among other strategic communication platforms, an audiovisual production facility with a fully equipped modern television studio for live recording and broadcast, as well as radio broadcast studio and an audiovisual post-production studio where government information and news will be produced, broadcast and streamed to all Nigerians for better dissemination of government to citizens' information. For now, let us get back to work as the Director General and the agency continue with the efforts to reposition and rebrand our country, Nigeria, and mobilize Nigerians for national development.